Afternoon everyone, so it's after Christmas, so we're back again at the Peugeot 3008. So the story with this one, it ain't a good result. So the guy took the timing cover off and he checked it, and what he found was that the chain has snapped. The chain between the exhaust cam and the intake cam is gone. So a few years had said that, so thank you very much. So what he did say, the belt was still on and it was turning the camshaft for the exhaust, but not the camshaft on the inlet. So there's seemingly a TSB out for this, thanks to, is it Scott Barnsdale? He put me in the right position here, so I need to try and find out what that one is. So this is going back to the main dealer, because most likely this now requires an engine, and we'll take it for there. So, but it's funny, it had a code for the exhaust cam rather than the intake cam, which was no turning. So incidentally, this machine has done 70,578, so it's not done a lot of mileage. I'm also trying to see if I can get access to a TSB using the snap-on tool here. So it's recognising this model as the P84. Let's connect the snap-on to it, because it says it's got TSBs for this car, or many cars actually, if you're still in subscription. But there's absolutely nothing there. You can see the options here. There's nothing to do with the timing chain. So I know, was it Scott Barnsdale had said to me there's a TSB. I wonder, Scott, if you could give me the number of that, my friend. So when they phone up the main dealer, they know what they're quoting for. But there's now within that TSB, I'll show you where it lies in the snap-on tool. We'll go back here. Let's go home. If I identify the car, you then go into that TSB, but as I say, there's nothing there. Anyway, it's going back to the main dealers, and hopefully that'll be a fix, a new engine.